Hi NCHS teachers. This is a tutorial on how to use Schoology's new Zoom integration. First, you're going to open up a course. Click Add Materials, then Add File/Link/External Tool. Click External Tool. Your tool provider is Zoom LTI all the way at the bottom. Give it a title. My recommendation is something like click here to attend class. You could also simply include the title of your course. Click Submit. One tip to make this work is to make sure that you are simultaneously signed into zoom.us. Do that now if you have not already done so, and then refresh this page. Once you've done that, click on the link. It will open up a dashboard for you. Click Schedule a New Meeting and give it a title. My recommendation for a title is something like Click Join to attend class. That's because there is one thing and one thing only that's important when it comes to joining class for both you and your students, and that is the green Join button, which you'll see at the end of this process. For your when, choose the next date that you have class, and then choose a generic starting time. I'm going to choose 7:30 just because that's when the school day begins. The duration, choose 1 hour and 30 minutes or 1 hour 45. It doesn't really matter. In fact, the when and the duration won't matter for this whole process. To keep the meeting secure, click Enable Class Roster Security. Another setting I recommend is to mute participants upon entry. One thing I do not recommend is clicking Require Meeting Password. I know that's a little counterintuitive, but as long as you've enabled the class roster and security, then the room is secure enough. Requiring a meeting password will just be confusing for your students. For audio, click Both. Next, click Manage Sessions. Choose that same generic start date and start time and duration. Make sure each weekday is selected, and then select the number of weeks. Let's say there are 20 weeks left in the semester. You can actually select as many weeks as there are in the year if you wanted to make this room work all year long. When you're ready, click Save. Okay, here's the confusing part. You are going to entirely ignore the start date and start time and duration. They do not matter. There is one thing and one thing only that matters, and that is this Join button. That's what your students will see as well. Before you start class in this way, my recommendation is to teach students exactly how to access the new Zoom link. The first thing they need to know is that they must accept the email invitation. The email invitation is from no-reply@zoom.us. They must open that email and click Activate Your Zoom account in order to join your new Zoom room. Once they've clicked that button, they should refresh your page, and then students will open up the session by clicking Join. I have created a how-to video just for students that you can find at this URL, https://youtu.be/xj_FIWUMK0U. The tutorial is also linked in the description of this video. When you are ready to begin class, you are going to join in just the same way. You'll open up your course, you'll open up the link, and then you'll click the Join button. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Remember that you can find this tutorial and more in the NCHS Staff Resources group in Schoology. We're all learning this together.